Good morning, students. Today we will see 8th Standard Science, topic Force and Pressure, Part 2. We have already seen in first class. What is a force? Force is needed to pull or push things. Force are, force are a result of interaction. We can see that the object must interact with each other for the force to act. Effect of force. Force moves an object at rest. Force can change the speed of a moving object. Force changes the direction of motion. Force can change the shape of an object. Next we will see types of forces. There are two main types of forces. First one is contact force, second one is non-contact force. What is contact force? Forces exerted by one object on another when they are contact with each other. These are called contact force. There are two types of contact forces. One is muscular force, another one is force of friction. What is muscular force? The force applied by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. Example, walking, lifting or pulling things using this force. These are called muscular forces. Next, force of friction. What is friction? Friction is the force that stops or slow down a moving object. Example, a ball come to rest because of friction between the ground and the ball. These are the example for force of friction. Next type, non-contact force. What is non-contact force? Force exerted by one object on another without any contact with each other. This is called non-contact force. There are three types of non-contact force. First one magnetic force, second one electrostatic force, third one gravitational force. What is magnetic force? The force excreted by a magnet on certain metals is known as magnetic force. Example, magnet attract the iron object. This is the example for magnetic force. Second one, electrostatic force. When a plastic ruler is rubbed against dry air, it acquires electrostatic charge, due to which the ruler is able to pull a strip of paper. This force is known as electrostatic force. Next, last one, gravitational force. Things fall down the earth because the earth pulls them. The invisible force exerted by the earth on all kind of matter is called the force of gravity. Example, gravitational force of the earth keeps the moon revolving around the earth. These are the types of forces. Today we will see a pressure. We are familiar with the word pressure. We use pressure to perform many of our day-to-day tasks. When you cook food using a pressure cooker, enjoy a cold drink using a straw, you are using pressure. What is pressure? Force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. The force applied on the surface is perpendicular to the surface is known as thrust. Pressure is force per unit area. Can be expressed as pressure P equal to force by area. Since the unit for measuring force is Newton N, the area is measured in square meters. Meter square. The unit for pressure is Newton per meter square. The SI unit for measuring pressure is Pascal, PA, and it is expressed in Newton per meter square. An example, the drawing pin is a good device to understand how pressure works. When you push the pin, you apply force at the border end of the pin. This force gets transferred to the narrow pointed end. The force you apply on a large area acts on the point of the pin. As a result, the point experiences greater amount of pressure. The another example, needles, knife work in the same manner. Force applied on a border part of this device, goods transfer to the smaller area and results in a large pressure. Pressure excreted by liquids and gas. Liquids excrete pressure. Pressure excreted by a liquid increases with depth. In an ocean or a lake, the pressure increases with the depth of the water. In deep water, there is more water filled up which causes the pressure to be very high at the bottom. The pressure in a liquid at a given depth is independent of direction. At a given depth, a liquid will excrete the same amount of pressure in all directions. This can be verified by placing a pressure gauge. This pressure gauge used to measure the pressure at a certain depth in water and rotating in its different direction. A manometer. A manometer is a simple pressure gauge, a device used to measure pressure. The pressure of water or any other liquid at a given depth does not depend upon the shape of the vessels containing the liquid or the amount of liquid in the vessels. It depends on the height of the column of liquid. If water is filled in containers having the following shapes. Water is filled in container having the following shapes. The water pressure at the given points A, B, C, D and E will be the same because all these points are at the same depth. Next, we will see atmospheric pressure. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This layer is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure excreted by this air is called atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure can also be defined as the force per unit area excreted on a surface by the weight of the air. It is maximum at sea level and decreases with height. Next, we will see pressure and the human body. There is always a tall column of air over us. The weight of the air on an area of about 100 square centimeter is as high 1000 kg. The excrete pressure on all objects including the human body all the time, but we do not feel it because the human body to excrete an equal amount of pressure outwards. It cancels the effect of atmospheric pressure. What is blood pressure? Blood is carried from the heart to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Each time the heart beats, it pumps out blood into the arteries. Arteries carried blood to every part of the body. The pressure excreted by the blood against the wall of the blood vessels is called blood pressure. Our blood pressure is at its highest when the heart pumps out blood. This is called systolic pressure. When the heart is at rest between beats, your blood pressure falls. This is called diastolic pressure. Blood pressure is measured using a device called sphygmomanometer or blood pressure meter. It comprises of an inflatable cuff to restrict blood flow and a mercury manometer to measure the pressure. It is always used along with a stethoscope. Yes, we will remember this lesson, force and pressure. Force have two types. One is contact force, another one is non-contact force. Contact force have two types. One is muscular force, another one is frictional force. Non-contact force have three types. One is magnetic force, second one electrostatic force, and third one gravitational force. What is a pressure? Force per unit area is called pressure. It is measured in pascals. Pressure have three types. One is atmospheric pressure, second one liquid pressure, third one blood pressure. Atmospheric pressure have maximum at sea level, decreases with height. Liquid pressure have increases with depth. Blood pressure. Pressure excreted by blood on its orifice. Cytolytic pressure, diastolic pressure. It is 120 per 80 mm Hg in normal.